My name's Ryan Toth. I'm the site superintendent for BelPacific. I've been with BelPacific now for just about 3.5 years. At this project, the Royal Columbian Hospital, we're doing a big excavation. It's got a very large footprint. In total, between the two phases, it's around 130,000 cubic meters. This is pretty standard shoring here, a 4-inch shotcrete wall. We got a couple different size anchors. The top of the ground's been a lot of backfill material, so we've had to, it's all air track drilling. We've had to switch to EBO anchors, and then once we get into the good ground, we're going with our conventional 1-inch bar insulation.
My name's Jamie Oczela, and I'm a senior foreman for BelPacific, part of Norland, and I've been here for about 3 years. A really good core group of guys that I work with, Foreman O'Shea and Scotty Gadet. They're very great guys. Together, we communicate. If there's a problem, we stop what we're doing, we talk about it, and we figure out the best possible solution to get the job done. Obviously, it's Hawaiian Shirt Friday, so we're all wearing our Hawaiian shirts. We're like a family, right? Like, we all joke together, we have a good time at work. Some days aren't good, but even when it's not good, we try and laugh about it. You know, we're all in it together, so we just get through it.
The site foreman here is Jamie Oczela. I've known him for about 10 years. We've worked together for a very long time. We've done a few jobs now together at BelPacific.
Safety obviously comes first. Like, we're always watching each other's backs, and if there's something wrong, someone says something, we don't just sweep it under the rug. We tell each other about it and communicate.
Each morning we do our pre-task plans. We come up with the safety, we go over the plan for the day. We talk about if there's any obstacles, any issues that we see. We come up with a plan to, to push through and get through the job, and it really helps out.
The level of skill that they bring to the table, and the camaraderie of the guys, and the professional aspect that most people have working for this company, especially the leaders. Everybody's pretty on point and organized and knows what they're doing.
This job has been kind of a design-build project, so normally on a typical job you have plans months in advance. You can review them, you go to work, and nothing really changes here. There's a big push to get it done. There's been constant changes, and we got to adapt to that.
I'm Pedram Darban. I'm the project manager with BelPacific. BelPacific was selected as a contractor to do excavation and shoring on this project. At this time, given COVID and everything that's going around this world, it makes us quite proud being involved in this. Every day that you come to work, every single one of our crews, it's quite fulfilling. When you see what you're doing could help another person live. The construction industry as a whole deserves a big kudos to be working throughout COVID. A lot of industries had the option to work from home, but we didn't have that. Everybody that you see here today had to come to work, had to wear their masks, wear more things than before, had to work with a foggy glasses, and maintain social distancing while they had to talk, they had to communicate and get everything done. We've had a very good year with our crews getting a lot of good projects done, and namely one of them that we are proud of is the Royal Columbian Hospital expansion project.